Of insurance for North Carolina homeowners could be going up. Insurance companies are asking the state to let them raise rates by an average of 42%. WCNC Charlotte's Julia Kaufman takes a closer look at how the rate hike would impact the Charlotte area.
Homeowners insurance in North Carolina is already $500 higher than the national average. That's according to a NerdWallet analysis released this month. Now a requested rate hike could make those prices even steeper. Cost of living is on the rise for most North Carolinians.
Groceries and power bill and, most of the other things have certainly increased.
On top of that, homeowners insurance could be going up again.
Our bill would go close to $2,000. We're right at that median $300,000 home.
Homeowner David Sabine says his annual bill could go up $600 if this latest rate hike request is approved. Insurance companies are asking to raise rates by 41% in Mecklenburg and Union counties, 28% in Gaston County, and 25% in Cabarrus County. Rates in some coastal counties could double.
It just kind of seems ridiculous for them to come with these types of requests for such an exorbitant rate increase.
The North Carolina Department of Insurance approved an 8% rate hike in 2020 after companies requested a 25% increase.
Obviously, we've had our fair share of pretty damaging storms. In the last 8 or 9 years, we've had 2 that were very destructive. But that's a big part of this, according to many experts.
If climate change is driving up insurance, Charlotte renter Jared Hayslette hopes better solutions can be found than putting the cost completely on homeowners.
Those things are only going to continue to increase in their frequency and their severity just because that's what we've seen the last couple of years.
The Department of Insurance is holding a virtual and in-person public hearing on the proposed rate hike on January 22nd. Leaders will either deny the request or negotiate with the bureau that represents these insurance companies. We have details on how you can have your voice heard on WCNC.com.